Hi there, I am Monica Kaiser, the facilitator for Yo Lady. I just realized that I did not do an introduction video to Yo Lady's introduction to makeup. So, my apologies. Here it goes. I'm Monica Kaiser. I will be your facilitator during this lesson. What will you learn by the end of this lesson? Well, what's makeup got to do with cars? We are going to break down the acronym makeup, and we are going to motivate you as a learner, as a student, to want to know more about your everyday driven vehicle. You will be going through different scenarios, placing yourself in a vulnerable situation, then solving that situation through your gained knowledge that you have obtained through us. So, start your lesson today, tomorrow, next week. All our videos are pre-recorded and you can do your lessons at your convenience. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, there are questionnaires before and at the end of each and every lesson. So please do your quizzes. On this introduction, there are 3 quizzes to take. Do your quizzes, please. Thank you.